Hello everyone, today we are continuing with addition and number block. Let's start. 3,
I will do plus
3,
I will do equal
6, 17,
I will do plus
9,
I will do equal
26, 8,
I will do plus
5,
I will do equal
13, 3,
I will do plus
17,
I will do equal
20, 3,
I will do plus
2,
I will do equal
5,
I will do plus
20,
I will do equal
39, 17,
I will do plus
1,
I will do equal
18,
I
18,
will do plus
18,
I will do equal
36, 16,
I will do plus
15,
I will do equal
31, 19,
I will do plus
7,
I will do equal
26, 3,
I will do plus
10,
I will do equal
13, 2,
I will do plus
12,
I will do equal
14, 3,
I will do plus I will do equal
20, 5,
I will do plus
6,
I will do equal
11, 14, sorry,
I
4,
will do plus
4,
I will do equal
8, 19,
I will do plus
4,
I will do equal
23, 16,
I will do plus
17,
I will do equal
33, 12,
I will do plus
2,
I will do equal
14, 11,
I will do plus
5,
I will do equal
16, 4,
I
14,
will do plus
10,
I will do equal
24, 9,
I will do plus
9,
I will do equal
18, 16,
I will do plus I will do equal
21, 15,
I will do plus.
18,
I will do equal.
33. Did had a yellow color. Very beautiful. I want yellow color. 7,
I will do plus.
19,
I will do equal.
26, 13,
I will do plus.
13,
I will do equal.
26, 1,
I will do plus.
14,
I will do equal.
15, 10,
I will do plus.
9,
I will do equal.
19, 2,
I will do plus.
16,
I will do equal.
18, 19,
I will do plus.
17,
I will do equal.
36, 11,
I will do plus.
17,
I will do equal.
28, 5,
I will do plus.
1,
I will do equal.
6, 9,
I will do plus.
20,
I will do equal.
29, 19,
I will do plus.
8,
I will do equal.
27, 15,
I will do plus.
7,
I will do equal.
22, 19,
I will do plus.
5,
I will do equal.
24, 16,
I will do plus. I
3,
will do equal.
19. The lesson in the end. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.